What are we working on?
Building up some studio stuff.
Whose couch is that? Who's ready?
I don't know, it might be UPS's because there's a hole in the box. Look at this, you can see it right through. Look at that.
Yeah. What do you want to do? What can I do for you?
Is that Ace Ventura?
We're going downtown.
All right, let's do this.
This is actually one of the most uncomfortable couches I've really ever sat on.
Come on, man. I mean, come on, man.
All right, looks good. I'm gonna put some type of cool logo sign right there. We're still messing with the layout, but Scott's office studio space is looking pretty cool. We're on our way.
Tuesdays at 9 a.m. we have our team meeting, and that's where we discuss all of our properties that are closing and all of our potential contracts that we're signing. It's about 9 o'clock right now, and if you're not in here by 9, door gets slammed and you're not allowed in here. Let's go.
We are promoting, so we're putting 2 people in the smallest office we have. I had to come in and move the file cabinet because they're not strong enough, so.
I'm Nick with SJO Investments, and I am the dispositions manager over here. We send out all the properties to our buyers and get the biggest spreads possible.
So how's all the calls going to today? Is Monday. How's all the calls been going so far?
They're going good. We got a contract over the weekend in Downey. That's could be a pretty big one. So I've been working on that today. We got a couple in Inland Empire, Colton specifically, which has been hell, to say the least. So we've been working on that one, so been a good start to a week.
So I know we got this morning we were transitioning Joey here, and so you're the one training him now?
Yep, so we're training him into the dispo role here. He's been texting for some time now. He's doing good, man. He's on the phones all day, killing it, man. Still getting Sherpa deals too.
Awesome.
So he's doing 2 jobs right now.
Yeah, let's keep it going this week.
Absolutely.
I decided to do some cool stuff for my team. They've been working real hard this year with coronavirus and everything. This team has really come together and pulled through. We blew our goals out of the water. So I bought them an espresso maker, not just like any espresso maker. This one here, you literally press the button, does everything for you, brews lattes, espressos, cappuccinos, plus it'll keep them pumped and working so we can accomplish our next goals. Bought them an ice machine as well so they can have iced coffee. Just those little things, that we do. The team appreciates it so much. So as an owner of a business, it might seem like some small thing. Some people might say, hey, that's stupid. But I asked my team, what are some things that you would want? And this is one of the things that they wanted for the team. So I got that for them. Hopefully it keeps them pumped up, wired on caffeine, and maybe we'll do a Red Bull fridge next. I don't know. But it's cool to do things like this for your team. Keep them motivated. It's the small things that matter sometimes. I know you could always do bonuses. You can always do things like that. But being able to do something different, something that they wouldn't buy for themselves, I think that is something that they appreciate more than you would ever know.
Is everybody excited, Mark?
Oh, yeah, Mark.
Hi, Mark. Hi, Mark.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Oh, hi, Mark. Let's get a latte. Thanks, Scott. Cheers. This is the new guy?
Yeah, this is the new guy.
I'm the new guy. Oh, what's up, man?
Hi there, I'm Andre Mesa. I am the customer concierge with Lead Gen Pros. just meeting everybody. Everyone's real close, having a good time. I'm like, what kind of environment allows you to have this much fun?
So the office gets loud at times, so beware. It's all fun most of the time.
Everyone here has made it so easy just to come in, ask questions, and it feels like hanging out with your friends, but you better do your work.
What do you think so far?
Yeah, so far so good.
Think you'll last?
I think it should be fine. We'll see.
Yeah, fridge, throw everything in. Got our espresso maker. Cool stuff to go over with this year. I mean, we have really worked hard. So as of today, right? As of today, we broke $1 million quarter. Now, we are actually almost to a $3 million year.
Oh my God.
So, as of today, we are kicking last year's ass.
Oh yeah.
Profitability and income. Now, those two things might seem like they go hand in hand, but they don't, because expenses definitely hurt the net profit a lot, right? So we are literally blowing last year out of the water. And can you imagine if COVID did not stop us?
Dude.
I mean, we would be really, really good. So we're working on next year's stuff. Mike's working on his quarterly presentation for you guys. So next week we're going to do a little something. If you guys would like to join me and Mike to go to a steak dinner at Mastro's on Tuesday next week, completely optional. If you don't want to go, you don't have to go. No hard feelings. But everyone, everyone's invited.
Sit it out.
Sounds like a terrible time, actually.
Guys, this is for this year. I mean, this is killer.
All right, guys, we got some bells to ring real quick.
We got 3 deals in the pipeline here. We got contracts over the weekend. Cody, cue the f***ing music.